Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Step by step how to change your password on your PC. So here I'm going to teach you how to change your password on your PC. Change your password on your PC. All you need to do is open up your settings. So here, click on account. After clicking on account right here, you will see sign in option. Press on that. So here are all the things that you can add right here to your password to make it more secure or to change it right overall. Here one is the face one. So Windows Hello Face. This option is currently unavailable. Learn more because we don't have the we didn't allow the camera. It's not compatible with the Windows Hello Face. So yeah, that's one of the problem. And next is Windows Hello Fingerprint. We don't have a fingerprint scanner, so this won't work. So yeah, that's one of the problems. That's why we can't set this up or what we don't have the fingerprint scanner. Windows Hello Pin. That's this one can work. All we need to do is click on Add. After clicking on Add, we just need to enter our password right here. Enter password right here. There we can now set a pin. There you go, as you can see. And here, security key. Right here. This one is a physical security key that can log into application. But right now, as you can see, insert your security key into the USB port. We don't have one. So yeah, that's one of our few problems. That's why we can't use that. This one right here, this one is the original passwords. But I mean default password. Is that correct? Default password. So yeah. So here is you just need to enter password, and then now you can change your password. Then there you go, and you can put also a hint. So you just need to enter your current password, then new password. Picture password right here. So the picture password is a little bit different. So when you do that, and we're gonna add this. So now we're gonna choose a picture. After we choose a picture, we can do like a movement. For example, right here, as you can see right now, there you go. So whenever he does that, that's the password. So whenever you do that, the PC will open, or the screen will unlock itself. There you go. As you can see right there, there you go. He did that as his password. So there. So yeah, that's it. So I think I can do this. I'm gonna choose a picture, but let me pause the video first. I'll see you guys there. So right now, this is the image that I've chosen. Now all we need to do is use this picture. Use this picture. So 1, 2, 3. Set up your gesture. So we're gonna set up a gesture. We're gonna do this. This eye right there. One. Then we have to do it 3 times. After doing it 3 times, whenever we're gonna close our screen, and then we just need to connect. We just make that line right there, like that. But if we change something, like for example, like that or something like that, there you go. So yeah. So now we're just gonna cancel this. So we can cancel that. Um, there you go. So yeah, that's how you change your password in your PC. There you go. That's how you change your password. So yeah, that's about it, guys. So I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below. Um, so yeah, that's about it, guys. So I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you, guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.